Hey guys, welcome. My name is Joy and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, True Grit RN. I just wanted to talk about my feelings about finishing my first week with elementary statistics. I currently am a student at Chamberlain College of Nursing. I have been a nurse since 2005 and I do have my RN. So I am here taking these classes to get my BSN. So I have a total of 12 classes to complete, so this is my sixth class. So initial feelings and thoughts about this elementary statistics class online. It is a lot of work. It was very overwhelming, especially yesterday because the homework was due Sunday at midnight. And I didn't get through reading the last few sections of the second chapter. Now, I did buy the book. It's right here somewhere. But there is an ebook. It is broken down into different sections for the first and the second chapter. So the first chapter I was able to read and really review and do the examples. But as the week went on, lack of sleep from taking care of my son. I did miss one day. I did spend all of Sunday yesterday in the morning and then took a break, and then in the afternoon watching all the lecture videos. And then after that I went straight to doing the homework that was assigned. It was 21 questions and I felt like the last few questions had a question within a question. Like I would answer one question and then another question would pop up and then another question. So it would be like 4 questions or 3 questions to 1 question. It was just a lot. There was one concept that I haven't grasped yet, and I plan on going back sometime this week and just learning it, because it looks like according to the syllabus, the final exam is 225 points. That is a lot of points, and I don't want to risk bombing the exam and then dropping my grade even lower. So right now I have like an 87 because the last question of that homework I could not get, and luckily my teacher, she goes online twice and it's like open office hours, and it's like a way where we could see her computer screen, and then she goes over what we're learning that week. And what was cool is she went on the homework and she did a few questions with us, and she taught us like little tips and tricks, like if we need like how to use Excel. If we got the question wrong, there's like a button that we could press for a similar question so we can get more chances to answer that question instead of getting it wrong and moving on to the next. I tried that with my homework, but I just got really like frustrated and just was over it. I was like, I'll do it another day. So, I think last week was very scheduled because I didn't have a system in place on how to tackle this online class. I've never taken a math class before, and there's just like so much material. And then on top of that, there's PowerPoints, there's like extra websites, like a lot of things to help you. And I really didn't know my way on how to navigate to learn the concepts. So this week what I'm going to do is read the module and read the discussion board, which again is due, the first one is due by Wednesday, and then after that you need to follow up two more times, like on a different day by Sunday midnight. You still need to have APA format reference, 2 other references, one like you can use your textbook and one that's not part of the curriculum that you have to research on your own. So I'm going to read all the modules, and then I'm going to print out the PowerPoint, which I did already. And with the PowerPoint, I'm going to watch the video lectures. I think after the video lectures are divided up into the sections in the chapters, so I think after each section, I will go to my textbook and then review it, reading it, and then do the examples. I know with math, the more examples you do, the more it is to grasp the concept. I did get some links to check out, but I just feel like it's just so much to look at, and those links that I was given to help with my statistics, like it's not even there's like no search. I don't know. I'm just gonna deal with what I got, and then the next thing that I have to do is learn how to use Excel and She taught us a little bit in those open office hours how to use Excel, but I really want to learn it so I don't have to keep referring back and forth. And she said my teacher said it will help us instead of doing everything by hand. I don't have a calculator, but I can easily get one from my cousin, but I'm sure there's one online that I can download. So anyways, other than that, it is a lot of work, and I don't even think if my son was going through topical steroid withdrawal, because that adds a lot of like extra stress. Regardless of that, this still would overwhelm me because it's just a lot of work. My husband said I need to be more positive, and I am. My goal is still to get an A, like no matter what, and I'm going to do what I can to learn the concepts. The next resort I'm going to use is totally YouTube. I'm just going to search, whatever concept I'm learning, because I feel like if I learn it like 5 million different ways, at least one way will catch on. So I can't believe it's already the second week. At least it's only 8 weeks, and I just have to like push through, because after that I think I have to take like American history, and then the rest are like nursing concept classes, which is cool. Like that's totally fine. So anyways, just want to thank everybody that just subscribed and joined and comment. Please leave a comment. Let me know how your nursing journey is going. Let me know if you have any questions, tips and tricks. I'll be more than grateful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you will know the next time I post a video. As my son's condition improves, it like goes forward and then 2 steps back, but I will continue to post more videos, and I still have that podcast, so that's a little bit more easier. But I feel like if it's like face-to-face, then you can hopefully learn something from my experience. So hope you guys stay safe. There's like a few hurricanes heading our way, so we'll see. Bye.